So the next experiment is called the gummy bear challenge. So the students are each given 2 gummy bears, and then they put the gummy bears in 2 different solutions. So the first one is water, and then the second one is salt water. So before placing the gummy bears in the water, students can make predictions about what will happen to each gummy bear in the different solutions. Okay, so first I'm going to place the red gummy bear in just the cup with water, and then I'm going to place the yellow one in the saltwater solution. And students can just make predictions on how the gummy bears look when they first start. And then about every 30 minutes, they can make observations and either write or draw in their science notebooks about what happens to the gummy bears. Students can also dump salt on the gummy bear and see if that makes any changes. Here's the end product. As you can see, the salt actually made the gummy bear shrink while the water made it grow.